blowing snow. You can't even see a tenth of a mile down the road in front of you, man. That's how low the visibility's got. So we're on Interstate 85 North right now, and we've got something going on up here. I can't tell. I think it's on the shoulder. Yeah, we're down about.
But we just
35.
came into South Carolina.
Yeah, we're here almost to Anderson, South Carolina.
Joey, do you have your beacon up, or are you just driving?
Our beacon is
Our
up.
beacon should be up, yeah. You should see it.
All right, let me check.
At least our weather-wise one is. And it should be broadcasting Spotter Network, too. Great job.
Connection went down for just a few seconds, but reconnected. It's snowing.
Yeah, park's right back here on the right, it looks like. Alright, dude. Can't let snail it. Alright, Road 47. Alright, this could be interesting. See how this is.
Hey, look.
Getting over here. How far down the road? Oh, it's right down here. What is it called? Great Falls? Is there a waterfall here?
Well, this is what the side of the car looks like after driving around all day.
Yeah, that's insane.
Gross. We stopped at this cool little park in Weir Shoals, South Carolina.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I mean, we got our little picnic tables.
You gonna make a snow agent?
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it... Look, Joe, you found Olaf.
Found the snowman.
You found Olaf.
So, yes,
He
we're
was just
actually
chilling out over here.
able to build.
We didn't build this one though.
But I'm
We just
building one
found
right
it.
here. Next to it's going to be its
You're gonna build its friend.
friend.
Build a friend there.
Exactly.
And there's this awesome little stream right here. This is pretty cool.
absolutely. I think this Colbert, we're in Colbert.
We're in
This is
Colbert
probably
now.
some of the highest snowfall totals I've seen tonight. This is even more, I think, than what we had up there in South Carolina.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Stuff like that, you know, that's, look at the guy's roof in this car right there.